Hi guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Jennifer. I love to share fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Hopefully this setup is not too distracting. It took me like a half an hour to figure out where to film. I wanted a light. I was gonna film in my bedroom, but my bedroom doesn't get a lot of light, so I went into my like little closet area. Also have mattresses and box springs, and then this mirror back here, so hopefully that is not too distracting. I have this Christmas blanket still, so anyways, let's get started. I went to Sephora like a week ago, and I picked up a couple new things, so I wanted to show them and we'll test them out today. First thing that I picked up was this Tower 28 Beauty Tinted Moisturizer that I've been wanting to try for so long. So I got the color Point Doom. I think it's number 35. Hopefully it's not too light. So what we're going to do is we are going to moisturize the skin first. This is Peter Thomas Roth. I love this moisturizer. I got it on sale at Ulta when it was on sale, and it just like plumps up your skin, makes your skin look super glowy and moisturized, and I just love it. Hopefully this setup is not like too super annoying. Okay, so we aren't going to go in with a primer. There are two ways that I'm going to try this tinted moisturizer. One side we're going to do my hand, and the other side we're going to do a brush. This is alcohol-free, fragrance-free, and non-irritating. Supposed to help with UV blue light environmental damage. It has white sage, prickly pear, and aloe for soothing. It's SPF 30. So super cute tube. I'm going to take my Artis brush. I'm going to shake this up. If you're new here, my skin type has gone from oily combo to dry within the last 2 years. So I am more on the dry side right now. Summertime, I am on more normal side. So we're going to take this. Hopefully it's not too dark because I did color match myself, and you know the lights, it's gonna be a little bit too dark. This is gonna be a nice tanner shade though for me. Yeah, definitely too dark. That's okay. We'll make it work with concealer. Now my first reaction is that it does have a little bit of a sticky feeling. I don't think it's light coverage or sheer coverage. I do think it has covered up a couple. It feels like my IT Cosmetics. I gotta do all this because I am way too light for this shade right now. But it has covered up some of the redness. It has a very glowy finish. I'm gonna try to build it up around some of the redness right here. It is a thicker consistency that I was not expecting. I thought it would be more of a runnier consistency, which kind of surprises me. So, what do you guys think with the brush? I don't hate it with the brush. Let's see what the fingers will do. I'm gonna just warm it up. I didn't bring any clips up, of course. Okay, I'm definitely getting a lighter coverage with just my fingers. I can definitely tell. Let me see if I can get you more in the light. Yeah, I can definitely tell that I use my fingers on this side. That is not my preferred method ever with anything really. So I'm gonna try to build this up also. I would say that if you want just a very like sheer coverage, you're not putting any more makeup on your face, that would be the preferred method, is to use your fingers. I mean, I don't hate it, but it's very glowy. It has a little bit of a tack still. I'm gonna just even myself out here. It doesn't cover everything. I mean, I don't hate it. It's just, it's still very sticky. Let's do the concealer. See if it dries down a little bit. Use ColourPop Pretty Fresh in, I don't know the color. It's really light because I'm super light right now. I am going to set with this Bare Minerals just to see. I am going to take the same brush. See what I mean by this brush, you guys? You need this brush. And we're just going to set everything. And then that is it for the skin. So I'm going to do my brows real fast. Actually, I'm just going to run that. I'm not going anywhere. And then let me curl my eyelashes real fast. So I just ran one coat of mascara. And then for the lip, we're going to use this NYX Butter Gloss, which I love. And that is the look for today. I'm trying to look. This is Madeline. I am going to check in at the end of the night before I take off my medicine. Before I take off my makeup, so you can see what it looks like. This is it. When I look in the mirror, like when I'm looking into the camera, it doesn't look as good as when I like look into the mirror. Like my pores are pretty gone when I look into the mirror. So, and then also my face looks darker on camera than what it actually is. So I think I did like a pretty good match. I mean, maybe it's a little bit dark. I mean, it'll be my self tanner shade for sure. So I do like how my makeup came out today. I just didn't do anything with the eyes. I'm not going anywhere. Like I said, today I'm gonna watch Love is Blind. I hope that this video was informative. I will link everything below that I used, and I will check in at the end of the night. Somehow I lost a bunch of footage when I was filming earlier, so I wanted to show you that I have Rare Beauty blush on in Happy something, and then Rare Beauty bronzer on. Most of it has come off. What I really want to show you is this foundation. You can see a bunch of texture. It's been about 8 hours, and right around the 4-hour mark, my skin felt like I wanted just to scratch it off, which is a sign that I'm getting a breakout right here because it hurts. So I have been laying on my face. I do want to say that, but you can see every bit of texture on my face. It's broken off like right here. There's like patchy spots right here. I think honestly, I'm gonna return this foundation or tinted moisturizer because I don't like it. So it's a pass for me. It's $30, and I will stick with my It Cosmetics, or if you don't want to do It Cosmetics CC cream, the e.l.f. Camo CC cream, I love that one too. So hopefully you like this video. I'm so sad to say. I did like the blush. It is off. Let's see. Oh, you can see it on this side a little bit more. I can't wait to wash my face. I'm sad. I'm sad that I don't like this because I've heard some really good reviews on it. So maybe I'll try the Say next time. I don't know. We'll see. But if you like this type of video, I'd love it if you would like and subscribe to this channel. I am ready to wash this foundation off. I keep saying foundation because it went on like a foundation. It's a tinted moisturizer. I'm ready to wash it off, get ready for bed, and go to sleep and start a new week. So I will talk to you guys the next time.